Hey guys, welcome to my first bullet journaling video. I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I did my February bullet journal this year. If you would like to see how I got this, just keep watching. So first thing I do is trace everything out with a pencil. I like to do a quote on the left side of the page, something that kind of pertains to the month theme. Here is a picture of where I got my inspiration from. I got it from Pinterest. That's where I get all of my bullet journaling ideas and inspirations. So I'll leave links down below to all the pictures that I used and got inspiration from for this month. So for this part, I took the candy heart design from this picture and I'm just gonna do a big giant heart on this page. So here I am just picking out what colors I want to use. I usually stick with 2, maybe 3 colors. Here I chose pink and purple, and I use the back to see if I like the color combo, and I usually like it to match. So these are the colors I ended up choosing and the other supplies that I used. I will leave all of the ones I can find down in the description. So I'm starting off with the light pink marker to write out the month on the right side of the page. Here I'm adding a cursive overlap design on top of the month just to add a little something something. I grabbed a thinner black marker to fix up little spots on the February part. Here I accidentally smudged the black marker, so I'm using a white pen to kind of erase the smudges. I decided to do this heart design inspired from this picture, but I kind of incorporated the original design with the candy hearts, so these will all be little tiny candy hearts all over the page. Now I'm gonna be tracing and coloring in everything that I sketched out with pencil, and then I'll be erasing everything underneath. Here I am writing out the rest of the quote in the darker pink shade, and later I'm going to use the lighter pink to create a shadow behind it. I decided I didn't want that arrow look, so I did the cursive overlap that I did for February just so it kind of matches. Tracing it with this black pen first, and then I'm going to color it in and use red to write out the letters so it looks like the little candy hearts. So I'm gonna do the same to the smaller hearts and color it in with the dark pink and purple, and then write some random words inside. Here I'm cutting off the first half of the page. I saw this on Pinterest when I first started bullet journaling, and I've been doing it ever since. I just think it's really cute and it adds a little peekaboo moment. So I decided to trace out the yourself part so that it would pop out a little bit more. Here is a time lapse of me doing all of my layouts. If you would like to see a more in-depth video about this, I'll be happy to do it. So here is what everything looks like. I do it weekly so that I can plan out each of my days, and I try to incorporate the theme in all of the weeks. Specifically for week 1, I got it from this Pinterest post. All the other ones I kind of made up or I've seen way long ago. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my first ever bullet journaling video. I thought I'd show my first ever bullet journal exactly a year ago, and it looks pretty rough, but we all start somewhere, and I hope it encourages you to keep going, and thank you for watching.